Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to be covering how you can change all the elements, alright? The majority of the elements inside an order form. You don't know how many people just send me messages saying, Pedro, how can you change the colors of specific elements in the order form? And if I just go here and then get the CSS info and try to manage that, it just doesn't happen, right? And that's because of a specific thing, which is you need to find other pieces of code, all right? So let's start from there, okay? In CSS Master Bundle, you have actually all the codes you need to change according to your likings, all right? So let's start with the first one. The first one is text, okay? If we get and copy this text, we can go to the custom CSS, all right? And now we just change it. We paste it there, and everything here that is shipping and your info is going to change to a different color, all right? Now, the next thing that you can see is the progress bar. If you copy this code, all right, and then you proceed to the same exact steps and paste it there, now the background color of the progress bar is going to be different, right? Let's say that we want the progress bar to be this color, okay? What we need to do is just copy the X code, all right, and then paste it here, okay? So if you do this, the bar is going to change, like you mentioned there, like you see there, right? Now, the next one real quick is the order form border, okay? A lot of people want to change the borders because, it's just practical, right? So if you paste the code there, you are going to change the border, okay? So let me just go ahead and see order step, background color. Let's try to use this pink just so we can really see, okay? Important. And there you go, okay? So now you have the order right there, okay? You just need that dot. After that, we have numbers, okay? So if you want to change those numbers, what you do, just copy and paste. I have done all the work for you, okay? So the numbers is going to be this number there and this number there. So you can see now they are that color, but if you want to go for orange, guess what you gotta do? You just gotta change whatever I have there already, okay? Now you just change it to a different color. Cool, now next one, background setup. All of these codes are really easy for you to use and change to your liking, right? So order step is going to change the background of the first step. And if you go to order step 2, what you're gonna find is a way to change the color, the background color for the order step 2, right? So there you go. You just change those two colors. Cool. Let's go to the next one. Now, this is not going to look really great because that's not the point. The point is just to show you all these codes that you can start using in your order forms. Now, guess what I just did? I just changed the background to an orange, okay? So if I want to change it to this lighter color, guess what I'm gonna do? Same thing, man, same thing. So I'm just going to change it to the lighter color. Cool, now, next code in here is the inputs, okay? So if you want to change the backgrounds of the inputs, all you gotta do is just paste this code and change accordingly. Guess what happened? Now the backgrounds are changed. Cool. Now, if you want to check the mandatory fields and change them, okay? The mandatory fields is this note here, okay? This piece of text. You just change it, just remove that, and now you have a different color. You didn't see the color change? Let's change it again so you can see, all right? So if you change this color, there you go, another color change, right? So this is really great, and you can use to design the order form in various ways, man. This is amazing. Now, L shipping is just this name here, okay? This name here for the shipping. You are going to change it. Let's go ahead for the green. Now, see, we are going to change for a green color if you want, and there you go. You have the green color right there, okay? Awesome. What else do you have to change? The order form button, okay? If you want to change just the order form button, instead of having green, let's go ahead and use this color instead, okay? If we add another element, and then we go for form and button, that is going to have the previous color, okay, for the normal button. Sounds cool, right? Awesome. Now the next one, and I believe it's the last one for these order forms, we have the privacy and information subtext. So what you see here, we respect your privacy and information. So if you want to change that, guess what you gotta do? You just gotta copy this code, okay? Now let's go ahead and use the pink one, okay? And now we paste it there, and we have the text in pink, all right? So this was a really quick video to showcase how you can completely transform your order form. Go ahead, test it out in the various different ways. If you have any questions, send me a message and just ask, and I'm gonna be there to answer those questions. Cheers, have a wonderful, wonderful day.